Question 3. A study of 8,000 car crashes. Found 4,200 occurred within 5 miles. So that's going to be my population proportion. 4,200. 42 out of 80 is 0.525. Use a 5% level of significance, 0.05, to test the claim that 50%. So 50% occur, H0 0.5, H1 not equal to 0.5. Keep it really simple. So our maths here is our error is going to be 1.96 by P, 1 minus P, 47.5 over 8,000. Give me a small number here. This is going to give me, well, it's giving me 0.010943, so I'm going to round it off to 0.011. I think are enough figures here. We're not, these decimals aren't going to affect the answer. So I need to add that to my 525, and I have to take it away from my 525 to find this range of values, and we're saying then does this H0 occur within it. So we're going to get 53.6 and 0.525 minus 0.011, 41514. So my range of values here is between 0.536 and 0.514. So where is 50%? It's over the left hand side of this interval, 0.5. So you guys continue on, as 0.5 is outside the interval, therefore reject H0. There is sufficient evidence to claim that H0 isn't true, or there is insufficient evidence to claim that H0 is true. Suppose you interview 1,000 voters presidential election and 550 reported they voted for J.F. Murphy, the next US president. 550 out of your sample, 55 over 100 is 0.55, which is P. 1 minus P, 0.45. So my margin of error is 1.96 by P times 1 minus P. You can see here it doesn't actually matter if you mix them around. Divided by my sample size of 1,000. So 1.96 by those two. 0.0308. I'll just round it to 3.1. So we're dealing with 5, 5, and 4, 5. So my P proportion was 55, 0.55. So if I add my 3.1 onto that, I'm going to get 58.1. 58.1, and if I take 3 away, I'm going to get 52. So 59, 0.519. So here's my interval. So it looks like there is evidence to suggest that he's going to win because the interval is greater than 50%. Therefore, evidence to suggest he will win. Now what I've done here is I have not put down H0 and H1, but we're going to go back in and put it now. So if you want to do the maths behind it first and then say, well, what is H0? H0 is John F. Murphy will win. Have we enough evidence to suggest that based on what we have here? And then H1 is not equal to John F. Murphy winning. And you can say here we're going to accept H0. And you should have mastered hypothesis testing at this point.